Hi, Greg here with Asus, and in this video we're going to take a look at our very first Snapdragon-powered, always-on, always-connected laptop. This is the Asus NovaGo TP370, and although it looks just like many of our other 2-in-1s, it represents a whole new category in our lineup. On the inside, it's got a Qualcomm Snapdragon 835 CPU and a Snapdragon X16 LTE modem with wireless download speeds of up to 1 gigabit per second. These components allow it to be always on and always connected, much like a cell phone, yet it still achieves up to a 22-hour battery life for all-day computing. This also means that there's no need to shut it down or put it to sleep when you're done using it. Just close the top when you're done, and when you're ready to use it again, just open it up, and it's already connected and ready to go. It uses the Windows 10s operating system, which gives you a familiar Windows experience with Cortana, Ink, and Hello, while minimizing power usage. On the outside, it has all the features you'd expect from an ultra-portable 2-in-1, including full-sized USB ports, power and volume switches, audio jack, and HDMI. The display is a 13.3-inch 1920 by 1080 touchscreen that's compatible with the Asus Pen, so you can really take advantage of Windows Ink and 3D Paint features. And at just 0.6 inches thin and right at 3.1 pounds, it's also one of our slimmest and lightest 2-in-1 notebooks. Also, as a 2-in-1, it has a 360-degree hinge that allows it to be used in a variety of different configurations. With its lightweight, 22-hour battery life, and gigabit LTE connectivity, the NovaGo TP370 is a great choice for anyone who needs to get work done on the go and in places where there might not always be Wi-Fi available. If you have any questions about the TP370 or any of our other products, please reach out to us on Facebook at facebook.com/asus.n.america. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.